Jamaica's public transport system is about to change forever. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is rolling out the Smartfare card system, a move that promises less cash handling, more security, and greater convenience. But with some passengers already facing challenges, is this the game changer we've been waiting for? Let's break it down. Starting June 1st, 2025, JUTC will officially replace its smarter cards with Smartfare cards. This new cloud-based system lets you top up your balance online, at vendors, and even through an upcoming mobile app. No more searching for loose change, just tap and ride. So, why should you care? Smartfare means no cash, so less risk of theft, faster transactions, you will experience shorter wait times, more transparency, you see your tax dollars working. Every dollar counts. Easy top-ups, more ways to pay, means greater efficiency. According to the minister, the Smartfare system significantly reduces cash handling, closing loopholes that allow for revenue loss. This ensures that every dollar commuter spends goes towards improving services and expanding the JUTC network. All JUTC buses are expected to be outfitted with Smartfare systems. But it hasn't all been smooth sailing. Since the soft launch in February, some commuters struggled to activate their cards and faced on-bus transaction errors. Minister Daryl Vaz says these issues are being fixed ASAP, but will they be resolved before the full rollout? If you haven't activated your Smartfare card yet, now is the time. Over 39,000 commuters have already switched, including students, seniors, and persons with disabilities. Don't get left behind. Tell us in the comments, are you ready for Smartfare? Have you faced any issues? Let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Jamaica's biggest changes.